So I was about to head to the gym, but I figured I'd just open these up already because they've been sitting for kind of a long time, way too long. You guys will see that there's some kind of outdated stuff in here, but that's okay. Anyway, stay tuned. Mail time's coming up.
Top down, head back. Ride by the high beast, don't Fairfax. Monday morning, I don't wanna hear trap. I play Rick James when I'm in traffic. I've been doing this since 5th grade. I've been doing this since I've been saved. I've been rock crowds on.
Aloha YouTube, what is up? Untied Hawaii here, back again with another episode of Mail Time. But before we get into opening up everything, I just want to give a quick shout out to everybody that purchased an Untied merch shirt thingy. Yeah, I don't really know what to call it. But thank you to everybody that supported. I didn't expect everything to go that quick, so that was really humbling for me. So thank you guys again. There will be more drops in the future. Different colorways, different designs. It should be good. So thank you guys for a great first run. I appreciate y'all. Anyway, let's open them up. I gotta open up this one, and this is what kind of spurred me to like just say, screw it, open up the Mail Time stuff because you can't wait anymore. So this will probably be the last time I'm ever using this knife because of what's in here. You guys can probably guess what it is by now, so. So Supreme sent it in a bag, Dose box logo stickers, and whew, this is what I've been waiting for literally the whole season for Supreme. When they did that like early going lookbook and like Drops by Jay and all those guys featured what was gonna be in the Supreme like list, I guess, for what was dropping the season, this was like #1 on my list. So if you guys can see that, it's that Supreme Samurai knife, Pocket Samurai. And yeah, I don't know why. I guess being a basic Asian guy, I was like, yeah, I really want that. But the craftsmanship on it looks really good. If you look on the back over here, it has that like length of details, how long it is, what it looks like in relation to your keys and stuff. And I mean, compared to, let me open it up. Really nice packaging too, I like that. Caution, blade is extremely sharp. Oh man. Oh, just cracked the plastic, okay. What is going on? There we go. Whew. Opening this thing up like a savage, man, jeez. I don't think it's safe. Oh shoot, still trying to open it up. I don't think it's safe that they actually keep the blade open in the packaging. Like, I know it's nice to see what it looks like, but geez, it's not really safe. Anyway, so this is what I've been waiting for the whole season, and looking at it in hand, it's pretty clean, guys. It's nice. Compared to this other knife you guys can see over here. Both say Supreme on the front. This one is a little bit bigger in terms of print. This one is the box logo, but look at the relation of that knife. Definitely gonna go with this one moving forward. And it's cool because there's like little kanji and katakana characters over there. But anyway, that's pretty cool. I like this. Great pickup. Got super lucky and hit for manual retail on Supreme store, so thankful for that. All right, so let's use this thing and open up the next package. This one is from Nike.com. Pretty excited for this one too. And yeah, check this out. This will be pretty cool. So I'll open this up because I'm keeping this piece. So I've never owned anything off-white before, and this will be a first. So anyway, this is the off-white Nike collab where they did like a whole bunch of like, not only like jackets and hoodies and stuff, but they had like shorts, soccer socks, a soccer ball, things like that, all for the World Cup basically. So they did this design and it's pretty nice, I thought, in my opinion. It says logo over there, off-white over here, has like some kind of like metallic Nike swoosh right there. It's got like these points, like these circles and stuff all over here, so not really sure what those are supposed to be. And then on the back over here, it says 33 off-whites. It says off-white right at the bottom of the threes. And yeah, these things like sold super fast on Nike.com. I have no idea how I got it. I just was there at the right time, I guess. Entered manually and again hit. So that was pretty cool. It's like a soft, really soft material and stuff too. And I've never owned anything from Off-White, like I said. So keeping this one, yeah, nice piece. Okay, and like I was saying, we have an Adidas box too. This drop was from a while back. Like kind of a long while. And the reason why I got this shoe is because I wanted to see what it looked like in person. I'm not sure if I'm gonna keep it, and that's already before I even open up the box. So let's take a look. This Supreme blade though is pretty nice, man. The samurai thing, I like this. I might have to get a second one. Ugh, it cuts really well. This isn't even the Adidas box, this is the Nike box. Okay, well, went out of order, that's okay. So, sorry about that. See, I mess up all the time on this stuff. It's all good, whatever, we'll move on. So this is a Jordan 4 box. You guys can probably already guess what it is, but this was also a retail cup from Travis Scott's online store. So this is the Travis Scott Jordan 4s. Never seen these in person yet, but I can say that what they were talking about on these like low quality sneakers it's pretty apparent. Like, these don't feel very good. I don't know. I'm not really a big fan of this. I did listen to some of Travis Scott's music. I know we were talking about it last time when we got those Travis Scotts in the beater box. So I checked it out, and he's alright, I guess. I mean, maybe it'll grow on me in time. But for now, I'm just kind of like, eh, he's alright. But yeah, shoes, also just, alright. Look at this. I mean, there's like scuffs all over this shoe. And it's supposed to be like brand new dead stock. But it's all over, so yeah, I'm not really sure about this one. We'll see what I do with this. I might throw it up on the web store. And then rounding out the pack, like I said, this is the Adidas box. So yeah, we finally got to it. That thing's pretty cool, man. That's pretty cool. So this is the 500 Yeezy box. You guys already know what it is. I was already kind of alluding to the fact that it's very old. Oof, these are terrible in hand. So I got the blushes because I wanted to see what they look like in person. And then I also wanted to get these because, I don't know, I figured they would look nice. They literally look like somebody pissed on a shoe. And that's what it is. Yeah, I'm not about this. For the guys that like this shoe, the model, it's kind of growing on me. I can kind of understand, like, for the dad shoe craze right now, it looks okay. But this colorway, man, it's a little bit much. It's a little bit way too much. Like, seriously, it looks like somebody peed on the shoe, and that's it. Anyway, we got some nice pickups in here today. By far, favorite pickup of this video was this freaking Supreme Samurai knife, though. It lived up to its expectations of being a boss knife. If you guys can pick these up, I would highly recommend. I think they're going for like a little bit over retail right now on StockX and places like that. So highly recommend it, guys. This is a nice piece, even if you aren't a basic Asian like myself. So that's it for this week's mail time. Probably keeping about half of that stuff, the Off-White and Supreme. Travis Scott, now that I see it in hand, I'm not really feeling it. Adidas Yeezy, that'll probably be going up on the web store. So if you guys are interested in that, it's a size 11. And yeah, thank you guys again for watching. This has been another episode of Mail Time with Untied Hawaii. Until next time, stay humble, stay blessed, take care guys. I'll see you. Aloha. Shoots!